Obviously, the fight against COVID-19 is an ongoing one, and so far, so good for India. Like you said, the government is taking some very strong measures, but somewhere those strong measures, I know health comes first, and that is absolute priority. But what has been the single biggest challenge in terms of manufacturing cars and demand and selling them in times like this?
So, well, actually, as far as challenges are concerned, see, obviously, this is a situation which is not a normal situation. We have seen that the vendor chain, the supply chain, the logistics have all been affected. So, obviously, for any manufacturing organization, I think it is the supply chain which is very important. And we have seen that there have been challenges which have been observed in the supply chain. And that's where from 23rd of March, our factory at Chennai also had stopped its operation. And our main effort was to ensure the safety and security of our people, our employees, and also ensuring the safety and security of our vendor people. We have a great list of vendors, tier one and tier two vendors, who have also supported us in this time. And I think we have been able to educate them, we are able to be in touch with them, and also educate them in ensuring that the safety of the people is the prime concern. And I think that is one of the mantras which we have worked upon during the last month or so, 45 days of this lockdown, that we have told the people to be safe, stay at their home, and ensure that everybody in the family is safe. Our various departments have been educating the people, sharing some great stuff, so that because of this new learning, they can learn new ways how to communicate, what are the various channels, online meetings. Everything has been done to give them a very quality time. And I'm sure now that slowly we are coming out of this pandemic, we will emerge victorious in the future also.
Right. Car manufacturing at the Hyundai plant in Chennai was supposed to start today. Can you confirm that that has actually resumed now after weeks of being shut due to the lockdown?
Well, yes, actually, we have been inching towards, ensuring that the production starts. As you all know, that from 4th of May, there were certain relaxed restrictions which were lifted. And even in Chennai, we were very, very confident. Our vendors supported us. So we started our maintenance operations from 6th of May. And as I say today, 8th of May, we have been able to start our, in a single shift, our production activities also. And although it's in a snail space, just the beginning of the stage, but I think as and when, slowly, slowly things start coming to normal, we should be picking up pace. And again, the plant will start coming to its life. And we should see new cars, swanky cars being rolled out of the assembly line. So yes, it's a slow race. It will depend upon largely the success as far as the vendor support is concerned, and also how we are able to manage various logistics as far as the transport of raw materials and goods are concerned. But yes, it's great that not only us, many other industries in the state of Tamil Nadu have started the operation. And I think going forward, our country and entire manufacturing sector will be looking forward to strengthen their operations once again.